So when I die, which I must do, could it
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will present our research on scientific article entitled The Effect of Guided Discovery-Based Thermochemistry Module on Critical Thinking of High School and Vocational Students. Before we start presentation, allow me to introduce our group. I am Hilma Amalia Fitananta, and with me are my teammates.
I am Ahmad Iqbal. You can call me Fikrin.
I am Rita.
First, I will explain the title and overview of the article that was selected. This study entitled The Effect of Quick Discovery-Based Thermochemistry Modules on Student Critical Thinking Skill, aimed to evaluate the extent to which quick discovery-based learning modules can improve the critical thinking skill of high school and vocational school students in thermochemistry. In general, these studies show that the guided discovery approach allows students to actively explore concepts with while understanding through guided inquiry and develop analytic skills that are not often facilitated the conventional learning. To background and research gap. The background of this study stems from the increasing need for critical thinking skill as a key complementary in the 21st century. However, in reality, this skill has not been optimally developed in secondary school students, especially in chemistry learning. Thermochemistry is known as a complex and abstract topic because which often causes misconception and difficulties for students learning that is still predominantly teacher-centered and like exploration result in low analytical and reasoning skill among students. Although a number of previous students have shown that the guided discovery approach is effective in improving understanding and high order thinking skill. There is still a gap because not many studies have tested the effectiveness of the quick discovery modules, especially on thermochemistry topic at the high school and vocational school level. This gap is an important desk for this study. Entry research question. This study addresses in primary research question of whether a quick discovery-based thermochemistry module can significantly enhance study critical thinking skill compared with conventional textbook instruction. Based on this question, the research hypothesis asserts that there is a significant difference in thinking skill ability between students who use the quick discovery model and thus though traditional approach. The objectivity of the study is to evaluate the effectiveness of the module in furthering improvement in critical thinking and to compare the extent of this improvement between senior high school and vocational high school study in the context thermochemistry interaction.
Next, theoretical framework. The theoretical framework of this study refers to constructivism, which asserts that students construct their knowledge through direct experience as well as discovery learning, which places students at the center of learning through the process of discovering concepts independently while still receiving guidance. Guided discovery modules are designed to optimize this process by providing space for exploration as well as targeted guidance. Previous literature shows that guided discovery approaches can improve conceptual understanding, critical thinking skill, and scientific reasoning in chemistry learning. Next, methodology. This study is a quasi-experimental design with a pre-test, post-test control group model involving 310 10th grade students from 5 schools consisting of 3 senior high school and 2 vocational high school in Boyolali Regency. The research instrument, a critical thinking test, was validated by 7 experts using ICANS-V analysis and saw high validity and reliability. The research procedure included administering a pre-test, implementing learning using guided discovery module in the experimental class and textbook in the control class, and administering a post-test to assess the improvement in student abilities. Data analysis was performed using normality and homogeneity tests, t-test, one-way ANOVA, SCAF test, and engine calculation to measure the effectiveness of the model quantitatively.
The results now that all schools experiment a significant exert in critical thinking skill in the experimental group with a significant value of p.05. With reservoir, the finding that the greater discovery module is an experiment in the explosive that skill. And again, calculation also now that the impressive in the experimental group was higher than in the control group. There were variation in improving between schools, with some high schools showing higher improvements than focalizing schools, which can be visualized through a compression graph of end gain score and a table of significant value that describes the discrepancy between group in detail. Thus finding confirms that the graded discovery approach has a consistent positive impact on students' critical thinking process. This study used a quality experimental design with a pre-test post-test control group model in Professor 3009 trained grade students from 5 schools. Consistency of 3 senior high school and 2 focalizing with school in Boyolali registered. The research instrument, critical thinking test, was validated by 7 experts using ICANS-V analysis and shower high validity and reliability. The research production includes administers a pretest. Now, implementing learning used a graded discovery module in the experiment class and textbook in the control class, and administers a post-test to assess the improving in student ability. Data was performed using normality to homogeneity test. T-test, one-way ANOVA, surface test, and end-gain calculation to make sure the effectiveness of the module quantitatively.
This study concludes that graded discovery-based thermochemical modules are effective in improve student critical thinking skill both in high school and vocational school. This has important implication for the development of more student-centered teaching material and encourage the application of learning strategies that stimulus analytic and problem solving skill. In addition, these modules can be used as a reference in curriculum development and teacher training to improve the quality of chemistry education. This study has several limitations, include variability in teacher proficiency in implementing the module, difference in student motivation, and non-uniform learning environment across school. Consequently, further research is recommended to one examine the module effective in other subject to implement and evaluate it as digital module, and three expand the sample to include different educational level, like senior high school and vocational high school, to option more comprehensive assessment of the guided discovery approach.
That's all from us. Thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum.